Good day, sir, ma'am, and sir. I'm Nimpa Javier, going to 50 years old this coming December. I'm married and I have two sons. The eldest one is 24 years old and the youngest one is 22 years old. I have worked before in Taiwan for almost 10 years as a caregiver. I just finished my contract last 2021 March. I know how to cook Chinese food, mom and sir, and I know how to clean the house, and the others I am willing to learn. I can speak basics Mandarin language. In my age, I'm willing and I can still work. So please, mom and sir, hoping you can choose me as your helper. Because I want to earn a lot of money for our future someday. I'm a good person and I'm willing to follow the rules and regulation and the policy there in Hong Kong. Hoping and I'm glad to work with you, sir, and mom. That's all. Thank you.